Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rabi Yakub right here, and in this video guys I'm going to show you guys how to create a one-time payment link on PayStack without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So with that being said, let's get started and see how you can create a one-time payment link using your PayStack account. So first thing first, you have to log into your account, then you head over to this page right here. You click on payments page. So you have to come here and click on create new page. So from this option right here, we are trying to create a one-time payment page, which simply means that your prospective buyer might be able to pay once in the actual amount you choose for them. So I'm going to choose this option, which is a one-time payment link. Okay. So right here, it takes you to this page. Okay. So you can name the page whatever you like. Okay, having named the page, you have to put your instruction right here. Okay, so I have instruction written here already. So the training fee is just $12. Okay, have it over here, then I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, so this is just the instruction details. Okay, when you are done with your description of the payment info, you have to come here, choose your currency. So right here, I'm charging in USD. So I would like to receive my payment in USD. So I'm going to click on USD. So when you select your USD, I want a fixed payment amount on this page. Collect phone number. So you can decide to fixed payment. Okay. So right here, you have to type in the amount. Okay. So the minimum fixed payment you can set here is $1. You can see from the option here. So you can decide to collect their phone number. The people who paid can collect their phone number, so you know they were the right person that make the payment. So you can connect. You can connect with them. Show advanced option. So this is just an optional. And at this page here, this is where you can put in your redirect link here. Maybe after they have paid for particular information, you put your direct link right here. So here, success message, you just put thank you for you can just say payment confirm. Welcome on board. And feel free to reach us on WhatsApp. So you put your just like that. So I think about okay, so that is that. Then right here you can decide to send notification to, if provided the email address, transaction will be notified. So that is an option as the case may be. So at this point here, you have done with necessary thing you have to do, unless you want to create a custom link for your payment link. So you can create a custom link. YouTube URL unavailable, success. Okay, that one's available, academy. Wow, so the URL is available. So once you are done with every necessary setting, then you can now scroll down and click on create right here. Click on create. Wow, so you can see it right here that your payment has been your page has been created. Share your link page, stuff like that. So we can easily copy this link here. So once you copy your payment link, you can start to share it to the people that want to use the link to pay. So we can easily take a look at the payment page and load it up, and then you'll be able to see exactly how it's going to look like when you share the payment page link to the people that want to pay. Okay, so I have network issue. All right, so right here you can see hello and thank you for your interest to join YouTube Academy, YouTube Success Academy. Kindly fill in your detail and pay a one-time enrollment fee of $12. Okay, so right here they are going to fill names, first name, last name, email address, then their phone number. So right here USD, it has been permanent, and right here they cannot modify. Right here they have to pay this actual amount of money before they can eventually enroll in this particular into this particular course. So this is how you create a one-time payment page using your PayStack without any stress. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about online payment information tutorial, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.